MFG has been in business for over 60 years.
We make SMC for the manufacture of material handling trays and boxes, for automotive parts, truck parts, bathware, helmets, and a whole variety of other miscellaneous applications.
At Molded Fiberglass, we have presses from 50 tons to 3,000 tons. We understand what it takes to mold a good SMC part.
MFG wants to be thought of as being world-class in the manufacture of sheet molding compound, bulk molding compound, and other molding materials. We have invested both in our facilities and, more importantly, in our people. And getting the right people, getting them to work together as a very good team, giving them the right kind of training, following procedures, we now believe that we are as good as anybody in the manufacture of SMC.
For me, world-class starts out with customer-focused people. And those customer-focused people are led by a committed group of managers. They provide the systems necessary to constantly improve operations, constantly reduce costs, making us more competitive, making our customers more competitive. Molded Fiberglass has our strategic initiative we call Lean 6, which is a combination of lean manufacturing principles and Six Sigma tools directed towards producing defect-free product.
There's a couple different things that set MFG apart from the crowd, apart from the competition. Number one, it's our organization itself. We are geographically located strategically across the country to better service our customers. Also, the company's size. We're financially strong, and we're large enough to take on any project for any company, yet small enough to react very quickly. Decisions don't take long to be made here at MFG. You can pick up the phone and call Richard on the phone. Any one of the top management is available to talk to our customers at any time. MFG Research Company is a dedicated company for design, development, testing, and evaluation that is a resource of MFG. MFG as a company takes the lead in the industry from a variety of things. The CEO, Richard Morrison, he was the driving force behind what we call Project Hawk, which was to do benchmarking across the industry, had involvement with our competitors. And we got together with some of our competitors and actually benchmarked SMC manufacturing. I can't see anyone else having that drive in this industry.
What we did here with Project Hawk was we developed the best practices on how to make a quality product and then developed a quality system that allows us to implement and keep striving for meeting those best practices.
Our SMC, the whole objective of our SMC was to become world-class. And we put in a considerable amount of effort, financial resources, and evaluation, and a lot of time to become world-class. That sets us apart from the competition.
We have been making SMC for almost 4 decades. We currently make it on 3 machines, 2 48-inch machines, and a 24-inch machine.
When we were at one of our management meetings and having a strategic discussion, we realized that we weren't quite as good as we needed to be in order to appeal to outside customers rather than just our internal ones. So we decided that we better go find out where we were lacking, and we created Project Hawk involving 4 of our mixing operations, put together a cross-functional team with teammates from 4 different operations, gave them a budget and a mandate to go out and visit other SMC manufacturers with the idea that we were trying to improve the state of the art for the industry, and we decided there was a good opportunity for us to substantially improve the quality and the cost effectiveness of our SMC and LMC operations. So we put it together and decided that this was important to us. It's a core competency, it's something that our customers want and can benefit from.
From our beginnings, molded fiberglass has believed in the value of research in pioneering new products and processes.
MFG Research is a unique facility within the SMC industry in that it is fully staffed with basically all of the technical disciplines needed to satisfy the needs of producing SMC or producing molding compound materials.
The research facility has the capability of prototyping SMC compounds. There's a small 24-inch SMC machine there where we can do small-scale SMC development, which then can be transferred to the manufacturing facility. With the SMC machine, we also have molding capabilities to take that SMC and actually mold small-scale parts to help the molding operation at our different entities.
Typically, to aid in the development of new materials for a customer, we look at the needs of the customer very intently and try to understand precisely what their requirements are before embarking on solving those problems. We then collectively look at formulating a material that will meet their requirements, compound those in a small-scale facility at research, evaluate, test, and validate that the material meets their requirements before we end up transferring that technology to the manufacturing floor for scale-up.
Or the most unique thing about MFG Research is that the entities at MFG do not have to rely on suppliers all the time to develop materials. It actually benefits the client in that we cut down the development time considerably.